DIY gifts, a personal touch to giving. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that combines creativity and generosity. DIY gifts. This phrase might be familiar to many, but we'll delve into what it means and how it can add a personal touch to the way you give. Whether you are a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, understanding these terms can be both fun and practical. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the acronym DIY. It stands for Do It Yourself. This term is used to describe a very popular culture of creating things on your own, without professional help. It applies to a wide range of activities, from home repairs to crafting and beyond. When someone says they made a DIY table, for example, it means they didn't buy it from a store. They made it themselves. Now, let's talk about gifts. A gift is something that one person gives to another as a present, without expecting anything in return. It is a universal way to show kindness, celebrate an occasion, or express feelings. Gifts are often purchased, but they can also be handmade, which leads us to the heart of our topic. When we combine DIY with gifts, we get DIY gifts. These are presents that you put together yourself, infusing them with your time, effort, and creativity. They can range from knitted scarves to homemade candles, custom paintings to baked goods. The key element here is that these gifts are not store-bought but are made by the giver, often tailored specifically for the receiver. DIY gifts hold a special charm. They are not just objects. They carry a piece of the giver's heart. These gifts show that you took the time to think about the recipient and create something unique. They are often more cherished than the most expensive store-bought gifts because they are one of a kind and personal. If you're looking to create a DIY gift, here are some ideas to get you started. Photo albums, a personalized collection of memories. Hand-painted mugs, for coffee or tea lovers. Custom jewelry, tailored to the receiver's taste. Homemade bath bombs, for a relaxing spa day at home. Baked goods, cookies or cakes with a personal twist. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you can tailor each gift to the person you're giving it to. In conclusion, DIY gifts are a special way to show someone you care. They are thoughtful, unique, and carry a personal touch that can't be replicated by something bought from a shelf. Whether you are an English language learner or a native speaker, understanding and using this phrase can bring a smile to someone's face and yours too. We hope this video helps you to not only understand the term but also inspires you to try creating a DIY gift yourself. Happy crafting and gifting, and see you in our next video.